And stay till the end. Tip 8 grows in under a month, and there's a bonus trick that can triple your harvest through the cold months.
Think November's too late to start your garden? Think again. This month is actually the secret season for planting. There are 20 powerhouse crops that thrive when sown right now. Miss this window and you'll be waiting a whole year, spending hundreds on veggies you could easily grow at home. After years of experimenting in the garden, I've learned that late-season planting often outperforms spring gardening. Today, we'll explore the top 20 crops that absolutely love November soil. And stay till the end. Tip number 8 grows in under a month, and there's a bonus trick that can triple your harvest through the cold months. 1. Garlic is pure gold for November planting. Pop each clove into the soil now, and by midsummer you'll have entire bulbs, each containing 8 to 12 new cloves. That's a tenfold return. 1 pound of seed garlic can yield 10 pounds by next year, worth around $50 in grocery value. Hardneck types like Music or German Extra Hardy thrive in colder regions, while softneck varieties like California Early store best in warmer zones. If you plant just one thing this month, make it garlic. Number 2. Kale doesn't just survive winter, it enjoys it. Once planted, it'll keep giving for months. Harvest the outer leaves, and it'll keep growing from the center. Cooler weather actually makes kale sweeter. Plant about 12 to 18 inches apart. Varieties like Lacinato dinosaur kale grow tender and delicious after a few frosts. With light protection, kale survives temperatures down to the low 20s. For zones 5 to 11, it'll feed you all winter long. 3. Spinach grows fast and loves the chill. Harvest outer leaves once they're 4 to 6 inches long, and the plant will regrow several times. Frost improves its flavor, turning starches into sugars. Space plants for inches apart. Try varieties like Bloomsdale or Space for best cold tolerance. Just a 10-foot row can yield up to 30 pounds through winter, saving you plenty on store-bought greens. Number 4. Lettuce. Believe it or not, lettuce loves November. You can harvest baby greens in 3 to 4 weeks and full heads shortly after. Mix varieties, butterhead, romaine, and loose leaf for texture and flavor. Lettuce thrives in cool weather and dislikes heat, which causes bitterness. Plant seeds about an inch apart and thin them as they grow. A $2 packet of seeds can easily replace those pricey salad containers from the store. Number 5. Swiss chard's rainbow stems are more than beautiful, they're resilient. It's one of the few greens that withstand frost and grows continuously from November through spring. Plant 8 to 12 inches apart. Varieties like Bright Lights add color to your garden and nutrients to your plate. Harvest outer leaves and let the center regrow for endless yields. Number 6. Carrots sown in November grow slow and sweet. The cold temperature prevents them from getting woody. You can leave them in the ground, nature's own fridge, and pull them as needed. So seeds 1/4 inch deep in soft, rock-free soil. Mulch heavily once the ground cools to keep them fresh. A small 10-foot row can give you up to 40 pounds of carrots worth over $100. Number 7. Beets give you to harvest in 1, tender greens first, and roots later. Thin seedlings to about 3 inches apart for big, sweet bulbs. They handle frost easily and store beautifully in the soil through winter. Try Detroit Dark Red or Bull's Blood for cold hardy options. Radishes are the speed racers of the garden, ready in as little as 20 to 30 days. Perfect for quick harvests and teaching kids to garden. Plant seeds 1/2 inch deep and thin to 2 inches apart. Varieties like Cherry Belle are crisp, mild, and ideal for repeat sowing every week. Number 9. Broccoli. Planting broccoli now means more than one harvest. After you cut the main head, the plant produces smaller side shoots for weeks. Use transplants and space them 18 to 24 inches apart. Cool weather produces tighter, sweeter heads, a big upgrade from grocery broccoli. Number 10. Brussels sprouts. These mini cabbages actually get sweeter after frost. Each tall stalk can produce 50 or more sprouts. Remove lower leaves as they grow to boost production. They take about 90 to 100 days to mature, perfect for a spring harvest from November planting. Number 12. Turnips. Fast, frost-friendly, and dual-purpose, you get both greens and roots. Harvest greens in 3 weeks and roots in 6. Varieties like Purple Top White Globe are reliable classics. Turnips are great for small spaces and produce fast results. Number 13. Onions from sets. Plant small onion bulbs now for 2 crops, green onions in winter and full bulbs in spring. They're cold tolerant and easy to grow. Push sets an inch deep, spaced for inches apart. As days lengthen, they'll swell into big storage onions by spring. Number 14. Arugula. This peppery green grows fast, ready in 30 days. It self-seeds easily, so once you grow it, it often comes back year after year. Broadcast seeds thinly across your bed or plant in rows 6 inches apart. Cool weather keeps its flavor mild and perfect for salads. Number 15. Mustard greens. Spicy, productive, and cold-tolerant, mustard greens are a winter staple. Harvest outer leaves and let new ones grow back again and again. Ready in 30 to 40 days. Varieties like Red Giant offer color and flavor. Number 16. Match corn salad. A European favorite, match is a true winter champion. It thrives in low light and cold weather, producing tender, nutty rosettes of greens. So seeds densely, it grows small but thick. It's gourmet-level salad material for pennies. Number 17. Miner's lettuce Claytonia. Perfect for shady spots, Miner's lettuce grows where other plants won't. It's mild, juicy, and rich in vitamin C. Scatter seeds lightly and barely cover them with soil. It self-seeds easily and returns year after year. Number 18. Collard greens. Hardy and strong, collards survive even below freezing nights. Harvest leaves from the bottom up, and one plant can feed you for months. Try the variety Georgia for best results. Perfect for stews, stir-fries, or classic southern dishes. Number 19. Bok choy. This Asian green grows beautifully in cool weather. Baby bok choy is ready in 30 days, full size in about 60. Plant 6 to 12 inches apart depending on size. Crisp stems and soft leaves make it perfect for stir-fries and soups. Number 20. Peas. Peas love cool weather. Plant them now and they'll slowly grow through winter, bursting into production by early spring. Set up a trellis and sow seeds to inches deep and 2 inches apart. Sugar snap and snow peas grow sweet and tender in cold air, nothing like frozen store peas. Thanks for watching. If this helped you plan your November garden, hit the like button and subscribe for more simple, seasonal gardening tips that keep your harvests growing all year long.